Alright everyone, I'm gonna try on the tilting bucket. Try to clear out that little dirt mound right there to the upper wall. Alright, check it out. So how that dirt mound came about was I built it to use as a ramp so that I was moving dirt up to the upper wall with a walk behind skid steer. I have moved at least 10 to 12 yards of dirt, and so now it's done. I'm removing the dirt mound off, so the dirt ramp, so taking it out. And so it's semi-compacted because of the skid steer coming back and forth. If I would have done this by hand, and it would take me probably at least 2 hours, and I would be so tired afterwards. So I decided to put on the tilting bucket to scrape it off. It was pretty good for this purpose, and I like the tilting function because a lot of time the tractor is not level, so in order to tilt the bucket, I'm able to scrape the dirt exactly how I want it. The only thing I didn't like about the tilting bucket is where the hydraulic hoses are. The two hydraulic hoses kind of hang in the front of the bucket, so I can just see that it gets snagged, break off somehow. So now you see I reposition myself to the sidewalk side. You see I'm moving pretty much clear out all those dirt. It's pretty good. I think I must have spent 20, maybe 30 minutes or less. And now that's the end of the day, so we're just gonna move that little bit by hand in the morning. What's left is probably 2 wheelbarrows, maybe 3 wheelbarrows. So over here what you see is I'm using a tilting bucket to scrape off the base rock. The homeowner decided to wanting to add a sewer line to the side of the house, and we already placed the base rock, so I need to scrape it off so I have a clean area to dig. For this function is very useful, and I was able to scrape clean to the dirt. Overall, I think it's very good application for landscapers. Very good just general application for a lot of things. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, you can make comments. Please hit like or subscribe, and I'm sure I'll be posting more videos in the future about these little machines and also the landscape projects.